How to create LUT in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure the clip you want to work on is selected in your timeline. Then, go to the bottom bar and click on the color workspace to begin the color grading process for that specific clip. Now, on this page, you can start making all the necessary adjustments such as color correction, contrast, saturation, and any other changes that help you achieve the desired look for your footage. After you are satisfied with the adjustment, right-click on the clip inside the color workspace. From the menu that appears, select Generate LUT and then choose the 65-point cube option for better color precision. Once you do that, a window will pop up asking you to choose a location to save the LUT file. Pick your desired folder, name your LUT clearly so you can find it later and click Save. And just like that, your custom LUT is created. And that's it. Now you know how to create a LUT in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.